guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally doing something that I've been wanting to do for a while now. I'm going to be upgrading my home water setup. I'm going to be installing an under the sink water filtration system, and I'm going to be using the Waterdrop X12 to do this, and I'm super excited about it. Living in Florida, the water here is pretty hard, and over time you can really notice it. It has that much heavier, more mineral forward taste. And in my opinion, it just generally doesn't have the best taste when it's straight from the tap. On top of that, I wanted something more convenient and consistent for everyday use without having to put a lot of effort into it. So we're going to be upgrading the kitchen to make sure that we always have really good, clean water available, and we're going to be partnering with Waterdrop to do this. So let's go ahead and install our new water system, and we're also going to be testing out the installation process and the Waterdrop X12 during this process. So if you're interested in upgrading my kitchen with me, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of my videos. I have new videos every Sunday, and we are going to get right into our kitchen update. This is the Waterdrop X12, and first impression, it's actually way more compact than I expected for a full reverse osmosis system, which is good because under my sink is usually a disaster. So this is the before. It's a bit of a mess and very cluttered, and honestly just very stressful to look at and try to find things in. So I definitely want to clean this up and have it look a lot neater. So this does go under the sink, and depending on your setup, you might need to drill. It's not the kind of thing you just plug in and forget, but it's also not as complicated as I thought it would be once you actually start laying everything out. And I kind of like these types of projects because it's not a full renovation, it's just a small upgrade that improves how your kitchen functions every day. When the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. Okay, so we have it all set up and it already looks so much better. The tankless design makes a huge difference and it really doesn't take up a lot of space under the sink. And now that everything is organized, it all just looks so much better. Everything fits really well and we can still get to all of our cleaning supplies no problem. So this is our smart faucet right here, and it has some really cool features. It has an adjustable volume setting on this little dial, so you can change how much water it actually puts out before it turns itself off. It also shows some really important information like the TDS right on the display, which is the total dissolved solids, and it also has all of the filter lives on the display for you, which is so convenient because it takes all of the guesswork out of when you need to replace your filter, so you can always be on top of it. And it also shows this on the actual machine under the sink as well. Now the actual filtration system is doing a lot behind the scenes. It's an 11-stage reverse osmosis system with a 0.0001 micron membrane, which is the highest level of filtration precision offered with an RO system. It's actually tested by SGS to reduce things like chlorine, fluoride, lead, arsenic, and other contaminants, basically just giving you a much cleaner, more controlled water source at home. And the other part that I didn't realize is that it actually remineralizes the water. So it uses this PCC mineral reactivation system that actually mimics natural mineral water and helps balance the pH, which is nice because it doesn't feel flat. It still tastes really clean and crisp, so you get all of the benefits of the minerals without having to have that hard water taste, which is really nice. Also, this is kind of wild. It's 1,200 gallons a day, which is easily a big enough system for a family of 6 to 8. And it fills a glass in like 4.5 seconds, which I'm super excited about because I feel like the fridge takes so long to fill big containers like my Stanley, and the tap water doesn't taste good. It also runs on a 3-to-1 wastewater ratio, which is way more efficient than a lot of the systems on the market. This means that for every 3 gallons of drinkable water, it only produces 1 gallon of wastewater. So you're not just getting clean water, you're also wasting less of it. There's also a sensor UV light built in for extra safety, which just adds another layer of reassurance. Another thing I really love is how low maintenance this system is. The filters are super easy to replace and they last a really long time too. So the long-term maintenance cost stays pretty reasonable. It's definitely one of those things you can just install and not constantly worry about. Honestly, this is one of those upgrades that just makes sense and it does so much for your overall health. It makes the kitchen feel cleaner, the water is more consistent, and it just makes everyday use way more convenient without you having to think about it. I feel like that's the best kind of home upgrade. I wish I could stop time. Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? So that's a wrap on this week's video. If you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen or just want a more convenient, consistent water system at home, this is definitely one of those set it and forget it type of improvements that you will use every single day. And I will link the Waterdrop X12 in the description box for you guys, and you'll be able to save up to $400 on the Waterdrop X12 during PrimeDay deals. And on top of that, you can use my exclusive discount for an extra 5% off of your order. So I'll put that on the screen for you guys as well as in the description box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this week's video and updating my kitchen water system with me. If you did, make sure to leave me a comment and let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday. Deep into your